Hi guys, today I'm going on a boat. It's not a real boat. It's not real. It's my stuffies are in it, and I'm gonna pack them. They're going back in and get me.
Red is obviously nuke. Yes.
Red
is nuke.
Guys.
Yeah, I don't know. Just do whatever color it is. Just we'll do it. Of that color theme.
You see them over?
Okay, yeah. Spin it.
Oh, you didn't.
There you go. And it's a good, really good. Everything is gold. Thank you so much. Yes, Dark is friends with Jelly that has 20 million subs. Yes, Dark is actually friends with them. Wait. It's still going.
And that's for Choo Challenge, right?
Purple?
Yeah.
Purple.
Cyan.
Can it goes with purple? It's literally
and yellow.
This goes with purple.
No boyfriend and girlfriend. Ooh, damn it. Mom.
Yes?
Can you pull my hair up?
Yeah?
Christ, why would you...
No, I'm not leaving it.
Do I remember the G-Mod storm casing tornado maps? Dude, of course. That was like literally my childhood. That's what got me into
video.
It's called Harris Mod.
No, look,
Harris
can't
Mod,
do
sorry.
it.
They renamed it.
You gotta look that way to the living
They
room.
renamed it.
So your
No!
back is, yes.
We need your Supra. That's what's gonna happen in real life.
I'm being so stupid, look.
Pack my stuff.
Oh my god. Okay, what should we do?
Gaming
Gaming
stuff.
stuff.
These are my gaming stuff. How my dad. Pack the gaming stuff.
Like a video. Yeah, what he said here for your God. What he said. Oh my God, what happened to you? You look like Billie Eilish. You look like Billie Eilish. Yeah. You got like mascara and everything.
I'm bringing you guys
You
in.
look great. Okay? You look great. Yeah.
Come on, you guys. Back in. You don't really need a blanket. Blankie. My blanket.
Frisky just rocking some.
I chew.
Yo, guys, do you want to see me open Pokemon cards in a little while?
Okay, I got a
1,000.
blanket.
If we hit
Two
1,000
blankets.
likes,
A pillow.
just
in case.
Which ETB is like worth, I think,
Here's another
do I look like
blanket.
anything? Wait, did I just do anything?
I'm gonna
Okay.
go.
I was gonna say, I don't know if that changes. No, okay. Okay, I'm gonna check real quick with my OBS to make sure I'm good. Yeah, we're all good. Okay, holy crap. I'm streaming so fast. What? Does it still look like it? Yeah, I know, you're Billie Eilish. Why? Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. That's what I'm talking about. Oh God, everything is dying. What do you mean everything is dying? I was yeah. I was singing a campfire song.
Another one. Even thick. We have to get thick into the game. Oh man.
Oh my God, I just heard myself sing on
Downhead!
comments.
I almost missed you.
What the?
You guys are going on the top.
Let me put on my Rolls Royce real quick. Yes, the Rolls.
Okay? Okay. I'm scared though. Okay. Just be.
That's not super. What is it made of me? Got my
Yeah,
Lamborghini
ooh,
Mercy.
this is good.